so in today's video, I'm going to be reviewing the newly launched Derma Snail Peptide 96 Under Eye Repair Cream. Now, this is a new launch by the Derma and it's a new addition to their Snail Peptide range. Now, I have never heard of a Snail Peptide Under Eye Cream before this, but ever since I saw this online, I just had to get my hands on it. I used it for a couple of days and I am so impressed. This works so effectively in solving so many of your under eye problems. So firstly, this has 1% of peptides, and peptides help in improving collagen production on your skin, and they help in reducing the under eye puffiness. So suppose when you get up in the morning and your under eyes feel very puffy, or if you have a lot of screen time, if you're constantly working on your computer or laptop, or if you're constantly binge watching a series online, maybe on your phone or on the TV, then there's a lot of puffiness that happens on your under eye region. So this under eye cream helps in reducing all of that puffiness and makes your under eyes look more youthful. Secondly, this has 2% of caffeine, which helps in reducing the appearance of dark circles. So dark circles is a very common problem, especially in India. Most of us have some level of dark circles, and by using this, the caffeine in this is going to help in reducing the appearance of your dark circles. So your under eye region will appear much more brighter, your face will appear much more brighter and much more awake. And lastly, this has retinol, and do I even have to emphasize on the benefits of retinol? Like, retinol is the most powerful anti-aging active, and it helps in reducing any signs of aging that you have on your under eye skin, be it fine lines, wrinkles, or crow's feet, whatever like under eye problems that you have, any signs of aging that you have on your under eye skin. Retinol helps to target all of that, reduce the signs of aging, and prevent it from coming back in future. So retinol is like the best anti-aging ingredient ever. So the combination of ingredients in this under eye cream are so good, and they help in targeting so many of your under eye skin problems. And this is such a hydrating product. Oh my god, it helps to hydrate the under eye skin so well, and it makes my skin so soft, so supple, and just so hydrated. Moreover, it's a fragrance-free product, so even if you have sensitive skin, it will still suit you. So I think this is one of the best under eye creams out there in the market, and the combination of ingredients in this is bomb. And the fact that this is a snail peptide under eye cream is the best thing. I have never heard of a snail peptide under eye cream ever before this. So I think that's the best thing about it. It provides very long lasting hydration on your under eye skin, nourishing it so beautifully and keeping it looking more youthful. Not just the under eye cream, but I absolutely love the Derma Snail Mucin Serum as well. This is the Derma Snail Peptide 96 Hydrating Serum, and I feel this is one of the best snail peptide serum in the market right now. This again has a really good combination of ingredients. Firstly, it has 96% pure snail mucin, which provides long lasting hydration on the skin. It deeply hydrates the skin so well. Next up, this has 2% of niacinamide, which helps in fading any dark spots that you have, any acne marks, and it basically clears out your skin tone. And it also has 2% of peptide complex, which helps in improving collagen production on your skin, keeping your skin more youthful and keeping the signs of aging at bay. So overall, it not just provides hydration but also gives you clear skin and more younger looking skin, and it's one of the best snail mucin serums ever that I've ever tried. And the best part about this is the consistency. It's so lightweight. When you apply it on the skin, it does not feel greasy at all. It just gets absorbed in the skin super duper fast and makes the skin so soft, so supple, and so plump. I love the dewy finish that it gives to my skin. My skin just looks so healthy every time I use this. And if you use this continuously, like every single day, you're going to get that very beautiful, dewy, healthy flush on your skin, which just looks so natural. So if you want that kind of skin, if you want glass-like skin, then this is the best serum to try out. I absolutely love the combo of the snail peptide serum and the snail peptide under eye cream. I think it's the best out there in the market, and if you want younger looking, healthy, hydrated skin, you should try out both of these products. You can get them from Amazon, Nykaa, Flipkart, and Purple, or you can also use my code RIA2024 on Dermaco's website to get a 20% off. Every time that you place an order on Dermaco's website, they will link your order to a child that they help educate along with Bhumi, and they have already helped more than 20,000 students, which is the best thing ever. Moreover, the best part about these products is that no snails were harmed during the formulation of these products, which is the best thing ever. So these are guilt-free products. You can use them absolutely guilt-free. So yeah, that was my review on the newly launched Derma Co Snail Peptide 96 Under Eye Repair Cream. If you found this video helpful, do hit the like button. If you try out this under eye cream or the Snail Peptide serum, do let me know your experience in the comment section below. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe. You can also follow me on Instagram. And yeah, with that, it's a wrap for now. I will see you super soon.